I now request the chief guest to kindly come on to the dais. I request Guruji.
The splendid evening. Let's give a huge round of applause for the performers, the guides, and of course, the untiring parents. Thank you all for your time and hard work. Now, let's move on to the most awaited section, the award ceremony. Before we begin, let me call upon the guest of honor, Sri Radhakrishnan, who is the treasurer, Confederation of Tamil Nadu Malayali Association, and also the chairman of Thiruvanmiyur Kerala Samajam. Thank you, sir, for graciously accepting our invitation besides your busy schedules. Can we kindly request our beloved Guruji to make the honor to the chief guest?
Mr. Radhakrishnan Rajagopal, our guest of honor for today. Mr. Radhakrishnan has been the treasurer for the Confederation of Tamil Nadu Malayali Association. He has also been the chairman for the Thiruvanmiyur Kerala Samajam. Radhakrishnan has been a very successful businessman and entrepreneur running more than 8 organizations. He is always at the forefront to help those in need and plays a very active and supportive part for the entire Malayali community in Chennai. We are very happy to have you in our sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I kindly request you to share a few words with us. Please, just a few words.
Really, I just thank you for inviting me to this function. I really enjoy the function, especially for our Guruji function on this, actually. Really, I'm appreciating. Also, I'm just announcing on that we have for a lot of Confederation of Tamil Malayali Association doing for Ulsav, Avani Purang, a lot of function is handling that. We will invite you to AIMA to participation or all the students for that in future. We will give you the invitation to you. Okay, thank you for invitation. Thank you.
Thank you all, sir. Next, it's with great honor that we invite the chief guest of our day, Sri Albie John. Dr. Albie John. Apart from being the managing director of MTC and ex-Tiruvallur district collector, he is a man who is really an inspiration to others through the way he achieved success, overcoming the hardships, hailing from a humble background. It's our pleasure to have you with us today, sir.
Dr. Albie John IAS, Honorable Chief Guest for today's Kalakeralam. Dr. Albie John needs no introduction, but his journey of becoming an IAS officer is definitely no less than extraordinary. Dr. Albie was born and brought up in a lower middle class family in Piravam in Ernakulam district of Kerala. Despite their own handicaps, Dr. Albie's parents ensured that their children got proper education. He completed his MBBS from the famous Jubilee Mission Medical College, Thrissur. After completing his MBBS, Dr. Albie moved to Thiruvananthapuram in 2012 and started to work in a private hospital. At the same time, he started preparing for the UPSC prelims exam. He cracked the civil services exam in 2012 on his very first attempt with an extraordinary All India 4th rank. IMA salutes and celebrates this great son of the soil of Kerala. We are indeed deeply elated and indebted to you, sir, for your presence here today to bless the young IMAites. Thank you.
Sir, a few words, please.
Respected Guruji, Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan Avargal, other dignitaries on and off the stage, and dear friends. It's a pleasure and a privilege to be present here on this great gathering, where the Academy of Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan's Academy of Indian Music and Arts is celebrating their annual thematic annual day with the theme as Kerala, which is also my homeland. So when I was coming here and when I was speaking to my father-in-law yesterday, so he shared a small memory where my father-in-law got an opportunity to interview Dr. T.V. Gopalakrishnan way back in 1996 for Madhrubhumi Weekly. So he was really happy and excited that I am getting an opportunity to be sharing stage with him. And when I was telling my wife that I've been invited for this function, sir, she was super excited to be here, and she was waiting for this program to meet you and share a few moments with you. So it is personally also, I consider this as a proud moment, being present here and being able to be a chief guest for this function. And the cultural programs in the last 1 hour has been extraordinary, and we really enjoyed all the dances, music programs, everything. It connects with the culture of Kerala in a manner that is not generally seen in many the so-called Pravasi Malayali programs. But yeah, it connects, and the songs, the music, the dances, the costumes, superb. I don't have words to describe this thing. And once again, thank you for the opportunity, and I wish the students and the faculty of IMA all the best. Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, sir, and we are very fortunate to have you as a chief guest. Next, we would like to warmly invite Sri Prashant Kanathur.
We are very happy to welcome artistic chief guest for today, Mr. Prashant Kanathur, a senior journalist, a reputed author, killer film director. Mr. Prashant Kanathur hails from the small town of Kasaragod in the north of Kerala. Mr. Prashant has directed 13 short films and gained attention in many film festivals, such as IFFI Goa International Film Festival and London Transgender Film Festival. He bagged the Best Debut Director Award at the Karnataka International Festival held very recently. Mr. Prashant also works as a senior journalist at Madhrubhumi, Chennai. The very first film that he directed was Station 5, starring Indrins and Santosh Kelathur. We heartily welcome to Kalakeram, sir.
I request you to come forward and address the audience, sir.
നമസ്കാരം. സോറി ഫോർ ദ ഡിലേ. ഞാനിവിടെ ട്രാഫിക്കിൽ 2-3 തവണ കറങ്ങിപ്പോയി. ഇവിടെ പാർക്കിംഗ് ഒരു പ്രശ്നമായത് കാരണം അവസാനം ആ ക്ഷേത്രത്തിന് മുമ്പിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നത്. സോറി സർ. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സംഗീത പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ സാധിച്ചതിൽ വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. പ്രത്യേകിച്ചും വളരെ ലെജൻഡറി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സംഗീതജ്ഞൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഈ സഭയിൽ ഇരിക്കാൻ പറ്റി തന്നെ എൻ്റെ ഭാഗ്യമായി കാണുന്നു. ഇവിടെ കലാപരിപാടികളിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത എല്ലാ കുട്ടികൾക്കും എൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേക അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങൾ. വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായ സ്നേഹവും ബഹുമാനവും ഞാൻ അർപ്പിക്കുന്നു. Nothing to say more about. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.